Hi children, good morning. Today we are going to learn prime factorization. Already we learned how to find out the factors. Now, how to find out prime factorization. How to write a given number as prime product of prime numbers. Now, prime factorization. First point, the process of finding the factors of a number is called factorization. What is the meaning of factorization? The given number we have to write as a product of numbers. Mean split the number. Suppose 6. 2 threes are 6. 8. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 fours are 8. Like that we have to write. That process we finding the factors of given number is called factorization. Example 24. How to write? 124 ja, 2 12 ja, 3 8 ja, 6 4 ja, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. These all are several ways are there to write a product of two numbers as a given number. Now 24 how to write? 124 ja, 2 12 ja, 3 8 ja, 6 4 ja, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Like this several ways are there to write the factors. But when you will write the factors only prime numbers, that factorization is called prime factorization. Means in factorization, if all the factors are primes, if the factors, when you will write a number as a product of factors, those factors are prime, then that is called prime factorization. The factors are only prime numbers, we can say that is prime factorization. Example 36. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Here 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number. Here other numbers not there. Then this is called the prime factorization of 36. Means what are the prime factors of 36? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. What is the prime factorization of 20? 2 into 2 into 5. Means what are the prime factors of 20? 2 into 2 into 5. Here 2 and 5 are prime numbers, then remaining other numbers not there. Then this is a prime factorization. When you will do the factorization, if you use only prime numbers, that is called prime factorization. Suppose 26. 2 into 30. 2 is a prime number, 13 is a prime number. Like that, any number if you write as a product of primes, that is called prime factorization. Sorry. Now, methods of prime factorization. Two methods. One is division method, factor tree method. Already you learnt in 5th class. Now, division method. Example 72. In 72, what is the last digit? 2. Then it is divisible by 2. First we have to take 2 table. 2 how many times goes? 36 times goes. Then do the division. 2 3s are 6. 2 6s are 12. How many times? 36. Again last digit is 6. Again 2 table goes. 36 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 8s are 16. Then how many times goes? 18. Again last digit is 8. Then 2 table goes. 2 9s are 3 3s are. Now prime factors of 72 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Next, factor tree method. Factor tree method means we have to write first two number product 72. 8 9s are 72. Now 8 is not a prime number. 9 is not a prime number. Then we have to write again 2 4s are. But 2 is a prime. But 4 is not a prime. Again split that number. 2 2s are. Then when you will get prime number, immediately you have to round up. Now 9. 9 is not a prime number. Then how to write? 3 3s are 9. Now 3 is a prime number. Now what are the prime numbers you got now? 72 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. What are the prime numbers we got? 2, 2, 2, 3, 3. Means 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Then what are the prime factors of that 72? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Then here all are prime numbers only. 2 and 3 are prime numbers. Then this is a prime factorization. Here also by division method also we got only 2 and 3. Then the factors are 2 and 3. Then it is a prime factorization because 2 and 3 are prime numbers. Then factorization means finding the factors of given number. In several ways we can take. Now example 124 ja, 212 ja, 38 ja, 64 ja, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Several ways. But when you will take only prime numbers as factors, that is called prime factorization. Then prime factorization means we have to take only prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 like that. Now how many methods are there in prime factorization? 2 methods. Division method, factor tree method. Now exercise 3. Write the missing numbers in the factor tree for 90. 90 you have to draw the factor tree like this and you have to write the factors. Second question. Factorize 84 by division method means this method. But you do both the methods, division method as well as factor tree method. Write the greatest 4-digit number and express it in the form of its prime factors. Now here number not given but one clue given. Greatest 4-digit number. What is the greatest 4-digit number? 9999. Which table goes? 3 table, 3 table. Like that you have to write the prime factors. Only prime numbers you have to take. Next question. I am the smallest number having 4 different prime factors. Can you find me? Here one number is there, that is smallest number. Having 4 different prime factors. Prime factors 4 are there. But what he told, smallest number. Then what is the smallest prime factors? First 4 smallest prime factors. 2, 3, 5, 7. Then number is equal to 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. Then you will get the smallest number. This is the homework 3.3 exercise.